Assalamu alaikum class 3. I am your English teacher here to welcome you in Dar Iqbal on campus Travel Pindi. This is your English period time, so all the students take out your English workbook and open it with me. So this is your planner week number 5. Period number 34 we are going to do today, and the date is 22nd May. You will write period here and date over here. And the topic is articles, workbook page number 36 plus 37. So all the students open this page with me. We have done this page, students, and we have read about articles. I told you that there are 3 articles in English grammar: the, and a, an, and a. There are 3 articles, and we have read the use of the, that where the is used. Now we are going to do this page. You will write day on the top of the page. First, it's Saturday, and the date is 22nd May. Let's see the topic. Fill in the following blanks with a, an or the. Students, you know that where we use a and an, because ये आप 1 क्लास से पढ़ते हुए आ रहे हैं कि that एन जो है वो उन वर्ड्स के साथ यूज़ होता है जो सिंगुलर नाउन हो, और वो नाउन वोवल से शुरू हो रहा है, किसी भी वोवल से शुरू हो तो उसे उसके साथ एन लगता है, एंड दैट वर्ड मस्ट बी सिंगुलर, लाइक दैट नाउन मस्ट बी सिंगुलर. ठीक है. और आ जो है वो सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ यूज़ होता है. ठीक है. सिंगुलर नाउन के साथ, प्लूरल के साथ आ और एन और दा यूज़ नहीं होता. ये तीनों आर्टिकल्स जो है वो सिंगुलर के साथ यूज़ होते हैं. लेट्स सी द ब्लैंक्स. डू यू नो व्हाट an ostrich is? Why I used an here? Because O is vowel and the ostrich is singular, that's why. The next blank is it's a very large bird. Now bird is a singular noun, and there is no vowel, that's why I used a. It lives in the country called Australia. G. I told you that कंट्री नेम्स के साथ भी हम दा यूज़ करते हैं. इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया देयर इज़ एन एनिमल, देयर इज़ आल्सो एन एनिमल कॉल्ड kangaroo. Now kangaroo is a singular noun, that's why I used an, and animal here is a vowel. The kangaroo is a best jumper in the world. It can jump over the fence 10 foot high. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. That giraffe has a long neck. The giraffe. अब giraffe जो है वो तो एक है, but he is describing all the giraffe, that's why we used the here. Fawad has bought a pair of new shoes. एक है, that's why. उसमें 2 होते हैं, लेकिन वो पेयर हो तो वो एक होता है. A pair, and there is no vowel, that's why I used a here. He put the letter in an envelope. Envelope is a singular noun, and here is a vowel, that's why I used an here. She made an omelette with an egg and a tomato. The dog is a faithful animal. Now here the dog is singular, लेकिन उस डॉग जो है वो तमाम अपने डॉग्स की कम्युनिटी की, उस क्लास की डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है उसको. एक डॉग, सब डॉग्स की बात हो रही है, लेकिन एक डॉग को सैम्पल बनाया गया. एग्जाम्पल: I have sold a ticket for the cricket match held at the stadium. Here is a coin. Keep the coin in your hand. We are going to the Swat Valley. Valley is a name, that's why Swat Valley, for a holiday. Father gave me a lovely book. I am reading the book now. A tall man came to our school. The man was a magician. There is an airport. There is an airport near my home. So we have done this page, and you need to learn the definition of articles. Okay. आपने ये पेज करना है. Your writing must be neat and clean. I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.